aims to ensure safety measures and promote the health and welfare of the workers employed in the factory. I strongly oppose the bill on the behalf of my party, All India Trinamool Congress, because we have seen many contractual and casual workers do not have medical checkup, no medical compensation in many plants. When workers die, their bodies are disappeared as they are contractual, no records, no compensation. Elementary to any democracy that when a worker is working in a factory, he or she must work in a secured environment, which is not implemented. Amendment should cover the loopholes of the law and make them foolproof. The inspectors are under this act. The inspectors come to the factory for inspection. They share a healthy relation with the factory owner, but least bother to see the environment of the factory. Thus, the Factory Act remains unimplemented for decades. Therefore, the system of good inspectors have failed, and we need to replace it in wider civil concept. In section 56, which is suggested the spread of 12-hour work, which is totally inhuman in provision, and it will impact their health condition of the workers. And in section 64 and 65, the act relating to increase the overtime hours from existing 50 hours to quarter 100 hours. Thus, it is an anti-labor bill, and it is industrial-friendly bill. Night work, women to work, safety provision, canteen facilities should be looked after into the factory, which is a basic need of the worker. The government need to enlarge the concept of monitoring system, inspection of the system, where government officials make huge irregularities in carrying out so-called routine inspection in the factory. I recommend this bill to be sent to the standing committee. I would ask only one question to the standing committee. I'll ask only one question to the Honourable Minister through you, sir. If workers are being given so importance, when every civilians are allowed to go to the court, but when a worker have to go to the court, they have to seek permission from the government through Labour Commission, which is a very lengthy process. Is the government thinking anything is Labour Minister thinking anything to it? It is a high time when government is speaking of digital India, workers' rights should not be infringed. 2 years of government is working on improving India, but transforming India to developed nation is not even on the horizon yet. Thank you, sir.